break it. There's actually no drama with launching that. I like launching that. Straight on. Nice. Well, I think Sculpt would give you a run for your dollar. Did you, Paul?
Good much.
Yeah, you're mad. On a day like this, you'll have to launch it. I ain't launched it. I launched it once, nose in. Nice, that was quick. That'd be, I reckon that, yeah, not quite much in it, is there? Oh, not much in it between that and the Sculpt, no.
No.
I still reckon that's got the edge.
Yeah, that's what I was just about to say.
Yeah, it looks like it's just ripping all the time, whereas mine needs to build up.
You just fire yours up, four-tail?
Yeah.
Nice, man.
Yeah. Oh! Tree! Top Gun in the house. Come on, Joker.
Fuck yeah, that one, man.
Woohoo! Oh. Did you watch that Flight Fest vids?
No. Oh yeah, no, I did, yeah.
Sell out. Good, isn't it? Tree. Nice. That's your job. Beautiful car. Inverted landing? Knife edge landing. Oh! Oh, he did as well! Knife edge landing, man!
It bounced and rolled a little bit.
Sick! Do it again!
If it hasn't wiggled the wing a bit, because those wings really take a hit, but they're only going to do it so long.
That was alright. That was nice, man. No damage.
Tiny bit of a crosswind at the last second.
Did, man. That's what it did with me in the school. Sent me that way. Your nose is gone again, look. Your nose is gone again.
Oh, yeah.